welcome to my Vlogmas. But these dogs are mating and they're stuck. So hopefully pretty soon she'll be having babies. This is Lucy right here. Aww. So I gotta keep her calm until they get unstuck. And I gotta wait, I don't know how much longer, so. Hello everybody. Today's Vlogmas Day 22nd. Gosh, got 3 more days till Christmas. Yesterday I was like, while I was doing, editing my video, usually if I sit too long in a chair, my back starts hurting. But when I woke up this morning, my ass was sore from sitting in the chair. And, but it didn't really take me long to, edit the video last night. I forgot to add like little, like music at the end of it when the dogs were barking. I was just probably getting tired, trying to hurry up with the video. And yeah, so if y'all notice I don't like add music to parts of the video where there's no sound or anything, that's probably because I'm tired. And it's like I forget to add music to it. But I hope y'all liked the video or the Vlogmas from yesterday. My son was just driving me nuts yesterday. All the way to his appointment and all the way back. And just a typical teenager. Yep. I don't know what we're going to do today. Right now I'm just relaxing. Was going to watch Star. And I was going to do a makeup look, like a holiday makeup look. I don't know. If I could find my damn camera and my stand, well, the thing that goes on my stand, which I don't think I have it here, but it's like, I need my camera. I wish I didn't, like, put it up somewhere. I have, mostly all my videos are my vlogs on my vlog channel when we were moving. And it's like, I think the last day when we were actually moving, it's like, I don't remember what I did with my camera case. My Canon camera, T3i, Rebel T3i camera case, whatever. My babes went Christmas shopping this morning, so I don't know what he got me. But I guess we'll find out on Christmas morning. So, I'm really not too worried about it. I like to be surprised. But him, he's the opposite. To wrap up these gifts here. My babes. Something to eat or to cook for dinner, and I'm going to see if I can get some Epsom salt, some Dr. Teal's. Probably get the what, sleep and soothe kind?
Whatever you want.
Yeah. Because I feel like shit today. Okay, so went to Walmart to get something to make. What I made like last time in my other Vlogmas, if I can remember which Vlogmas it was. I know it was like this past week, with the cream of chicken, and I got this chicken boiling right here. Got some mixed vegetables, which I'm gonna mix this with the cream of chicken soup. And of course we got the flaky honey butter biscuits, which I have to cook that first before I add it into the casserole dish. And yeah, so you can see how I actually get to make. After this gets done cooking, I am going to cut them up. Let's see, this chicken is done. My goodness. I need a bowl. I got a bowl here to put the chicken in. Okay, let's see if this chicken's done. If it ain't, then I'll still cook it. Try to look in the middle of the chicken. Yeah, it needs a little bit more cooking. Okay, I don't have a lid. Oops. So when you don't have a lid, you get aluminum foil. Man, this thing is a pain in the ass. Just want some aluminum foil, man. that hard to ask, but maybe just get some hand foil. Tape it. Oh. Like head up and head. Wow, I thought this would be like longer. Nope. Okay, just gonna set it over. And then what we do is we actually like kind of like pan in, so that way it can cook the chicken. There. Got no lid. This is the only way to do it. if I had one of those things that go over the camera lens. I mean, that moon is bright, bright. And it's a little chilly out. I wish my camera could focus on the moon like that. That'd be so cool, wouldn't it? guys, that completes my Vlogmas for day 22. I hope you are having a great weekend, and don't forget to subscribe, like this video. I know I didn't get to do anything exciting today, just cook, and but I'm feeling a lot better. I got some like Epsom salt by Dr. Teal's Soothe and Sleep with lavender. Oh my gosh. If you ever like need to like relax, rejuvenate, or whatever, get you one of those. They're really, really good. I use like 3 cups. You can use about 2 cups. And but yeah, I'm like, I feel so much better now. And that because my butt and my leg were like sore from sitting in the chair trying to edit the video that I did yesterday. So, alright, I guess I'll see y'all tomorrow. Good night.